Have you ever wondered how scientists unravel the mysteries of the universe right down to the molecular level? Well, one of the key tools in their arsenal is ultraviolet spectroscopy. Today, we're going to delve deep into this fascinating topic. Imagine you're holding a prism and you pass a beam of white light through it. What do you see? A beautiful rainbow, right? That's because the prism is separating the light into its various components, each with its own unique color. Now imagine you could do the same thing, but instead of a rainbow, you get a detailed map of a substance's molecular structure. That, in essence, is ultraviolet spectroscopy. Ultraviolet spectroscopy is a type of spectroscopy that uses ultraviolet light to study the structure and properties of molecules. It's like a detective tool for chemists, allowing them to identify unknown substances, determine the structure of molecules, and study chemical reactions. The process involves shining ultraviolet light onto a sample. This light has enough energy to excite the electrons in the sample's molecules. As these electrons absorb the energy and move to a higher energy level, they leave behind a unique pattern or spectrum. By studying this spectrum, scientists can glean invaluable information about the sample's molecular structure. But how does this all translate to real-world applications? Well, ultraviolet spectroscopy has a multitude of uses across different fields. In the pharmaceutical industry, it's used to determine the concentration of drugs and to detect impurities. In environmental science, it helps monitor the quality of air and water. In astronomy, it's used to study the composition of distant stars and galaxies. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, to summarize, ultraviolet spectroscopy is a powerful technique that uses ultraviolet light to study molecules. By exciting the electrons in a sample and analyzing the resulting spectrum, scientists can gather crucial information about the sample's structure and properties. This technique has wide-ranging applications, from the pharmaceutical industry to environmental science and even astronomy. In a world where the smallest particles can hold the biggest secrets, ultraviolet spectroscopy is an indispensable tool. It's like a secret decoder ring for the universe, allowing us to unravel the mysteries of the molecular world and beyond. So, the next time you see a rainbow, remember, there's a lot more to light than meets the eye.